What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Unique Experience, part of the Fujibo Heavy channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys one of the mods that I was waiting for that finally came in. And I'm also gonna do a DIY video just in case you are interested in doing this modification to your car. You'll know how to do it yourself, so stay tuned. Alright guys, once again, thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Unique Experience, part of the Fujibo Heavy channel. I'm super excited for this mod that came in today, and if you probably couldn't tell by the thumbnail, it is taillights. So, you know, my 997 is an 06, so it is an earlier model, so it does kind of have, you know, kind of older styling. Those are the factory taillights. You know, they're pretty much just regular housing. It's got regular bulbs in it, nothing special. And one of the things that I wanted to do is kind of modernize the car a little more. You know, it is a Porsche, so I do believe that there are certain things that you should just kind of leave alone. And you have to be really kind of careful as to what products you put on your car, in my opinion, just because I think when you put cheaper products on a car, you know, even if it's a nice car, it kind of makes the entire car look cheap, in my opinion. So I did some looking around, and I actually found these on eBay. And I'm not super familiar with this brand, Junyan, but I know that it is out of Taiwan. And I did look at several different styles. And what I really liked about these is in the photos, the way that, you know, the taillight illuminates, you know, at nighttime, the brake light and everything like that. I liked all of that. So that is kind of why I went with this style. So we'll go ahead and unbox it. So I got my razor blade. Let's see here. That. Okay, go ahead and, okay, so now we are going to open these up, see what these bad boys look like. So, here they are. Ooh, that's pretty. Alright guys, so these are the taillights. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap them. So, go ahead and grab my razor blade here. Kind of just be careful not to cut the lens or anything like that. I am super excited for these guys. I think it just looks so clean and kind of, you know, the look that I'm going for, which is, you know, I don't want it too over the top. I don't want it to be super obvious that, you know, it's aftermarket, but I do kind of want it to look like, hey, you know, that could have been a factory, you know, that could be factory. So there's all the plastic, and there she is. Guys, I think that looks awesome. So essentially, from the illustration that I saw, this outer red part illuminates for your taillight, and then the brake light is up top, the turn signals in the middle, and then the lower part is your reverse light. So without wasting too much time, I guess let's go ahead and go into how to install them. Alright guys, so jumping into the install, the tools that you're going to need is a T25, which I actually have this like electric ratchet, and I have a T25 bit on it. You're going to need a Phillips head and a flat head. So we'll go ahead and grab our tools, and we'll go over installation. Alright guys, so install is actually very simple. So what you're gonna wanna do is, over here, you can see there are 2 T25 bolts. We're gonna wanna go ahead and loosen those up. We don't wanna take them out all the way, just loosen them. So I'm actually backing it out. And, all right, now that we have the 2 screws loose here, you just kinda wanna grab the end and just kinda pull it forward. So it should just pop right out of place. And then when you pull it out, you're gonna notice there's a socket right here. So what you're gonna wanna do is take your flathead, push the retaining clip up just to loosen it. And then once you've done that, you should be able to pull that apart. And then your factory taillight housing is off. All right, guys, so here is the factory taillight. There is one part that we are gonna transfer from the original over to the new one, and that's actually this bracket right here. So this bracket is what kind of secures to the car, but the bracket is held on by this Phillips head. So that's the bracket that we're gonna go ahead and take off. So, it's kind of strong. So you just kind of undo that. And then she just kind of comes off, just like that. So, I'm gonna go ahead, bring that over to the new taillight. And we wanna line it up with that right there. So, you wanna put the center hole right there to line up with it. Go ahead and put the screw in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and screw that in. All right, now she is secure and it's actually ready to go back into the car. Now we have our new housing. We're going to want to take this plug, and you'll notice that there's kind of like a little notch right on top. You want to line that up when you put that into your plug. There will be a clip, and you want to line up the clip and that notch together, and you'll feel it click and audibly hear it click. There is actually like a latch like right there, right? So that is gonna kind of sit behind this. And then when you're installing these, you definitely want to ensure that these washers, you know, obviously sit on this side of the taillight. So when you tighten it up, it'll kind of secure it into place. So kind of, once you kind of push it into there, as you can see, it looks good there. But we also want to ensure that this other side is in. So as you can see, it is flush in here and it is held into place. And then with both of these, you know, the washers are on this side. So the only thing we really have to do is go ahead and tighten these up. So we'll go ahead and, so you definitely don't want to over torque it. You could probably do it by hand. I just don't have a T25 with me. That's it. Now it's secure, it's in place. That's not going anywhere. So now we will test it and see what the lighting looks like. This is the taillight on, the new taillight is in. Dude, I love it. I absolutely love the way that looks. And if you want to kind of see a comparison as to, you know, this option as opposed to the factory. So this is that. And then that's the factory. It doesn't look terrible, but like, I feel like this just gives it a little more of a modern look, which I absolutely love. This is exactly the look I was going for. Super, super happy with them.